One and continuation to my chapter 1. This is all about chapter 2. So number 1 is a literature review, a critical analysis of existing research and scholarship on a specific topic. So example ani is a research conduct a literature review on the effectiveness of the project-based learning in improving student outcomes. So number 2, personal competence and individual's ability to manage their emotions, behaviors, and relationships effectively. Ang example niya is a teacher takes a deep breath and calmly addresses a disruptive student, demonstrating personal competence in managing emotions and behaviors. So number 3, cognitive competence, the ability to process information, think critically, and solve problems. So example of this is a student analyzes data from a science experiments, identifies patterns and draws conclusions, demonstrating cognitive competence. So example is the students is have a puzzle or solving problems. This is the example of cognitive competence. So number 4, professional competence, the ability engaging lessons plans and assist students learning. Example is engineer have skills to draw, design, or they're having concrete design of their building. Number 6, teacher's ability, capacity to plan, deliver, and assess instruction to meet students' needs. Example, teachers adapt lessons plan to accommodate a student with a learning disability, demonstrating teachers' ability. Number 7, communication skills, ability to communicate ideas through a message effectively in verbal and non-verbal means. Number 8, teaching performance, the evaluation of a teacher's instructional practices, student outcomes, and overall effectiveness. Example, a principal observes a teacher's classroom instruction, reviews student test scores, and provides feedback on areas of improvement. And number 9, professional development, ongoing education training, and growth opportunity for the educator and enhance their knowledge, skills, and practice. Example, a teacher attends a workshop on technology Instagram, participate in a community. That's all. Thank you.